Hope you enjoy these tips and tricks. Okay, we've got a lot of interest in making these critters that I've named them. Now it's going to be great fun because I'd first brought them out as a way to get children into doing certain chores, but I've since had a friend tell me that her sons want Canva so that they can make these critters, and that just gave me a great idea. I'll do the little, show you how you put them all together, but they're so quick and easy that it's really would be great fun for children, so, and a great rainy day activity. So we'll go into, I'll do it as a Facebook post size, and you'll just see they're just cute little funny things. Facebook, and very quick and simple to make. Now I've got one where I've done that sitting in my hand. Well, I've done a few now, they're in the cupboards and everywhere. So I'm going to just use the same photo of my hand that I took, and that's all you do first for the one in the hand, is you just take a photo of your hand. Now don't do it as video footage. I did try it, and you'll see shortly that the critter didn't stay in my hand as I moved, so it's best it's photo, and then you go into Giphy down the bottom, and then you'll put in Happy Dance sticker. Now, and from here it's just choose your critter, and I have my little one, my favourite, my little bear, and now I have to just be careful in getting my sizing enough to make him look realistic, like he really is in my hand, and he sort of just drops in to certain spots, so I think that's good there. Yeah. Now I'll just have a preview, see what he looks like. No, look what I found in the cupboard. I'm keeping him. So I hope you enjoyed that little tutorial, and please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this and want to find out more tips and tricks in Canva.